Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a bush using a plate with leaf for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a pair of 2x2 round plates. We're going to stack these on top of one another. Then I'm going to place a parabolic ring right on the top. Proceed on with a 2x2 round profile brick and a 2x2 round jumper plate. Place that right on the top. This is going to be the trunk of our bush. For the limbs and leaves, take a 1x1 plate with leaf. We're going to place a 1x1 stud flower right on the top. Now I want to make 3 of these, and I want to attach them to a 6-prong limb. Now what I'm going to do, since these are darker green or earth green, we're going to place these on the bottom portions of our limbs. And yeah, you're going to have to wiggle and jiggle to get those to fit on there. Make sure you get those on there correctly. You can do it any way you want. And then take a green 1x1 plate with leaf. We're going to place another stud flower on top. Make 3 of these. I want to put these on the innermost limbs. Now here's where it gets a bit tricky. You're going to have to rotate your lower leaves to make these all fit on here. Everything goes well, you should lock in place. Now we're going to make 5 of these. Usually the last one's always going to be the hardest one to get on. Let's rotate that around. Let's make 5 of these. Let's place this 3.2 shaft and this 3.2 hole. We're going to set that right in there inside that 2x2 jumper plate. And take the remaining 4 leaf assemblies. We're going to attach a holder with a 3.2 hole. Place that on as shown. And I'm just going to attach 4 of these to our parabolic ring. Now I'm going to skip every other hole here. I need to come in here and attach these on. I'm going to do it like this. And yes, this is an impromptu tutorial. It was an idea hot on my mind and I needed it for something. So I'm going to place this last one on here. And then we're going to set this right in here. And then I'm just going to simply just kind of swing these upwards. Now we got to turn our attention to these holes. Take another 1x1 leaf. I'm going to place a stud flower right on top. This time I'm going to take a 3-limb stem. I'm going to place one of these leaf elements on here. Then we're going to take a green 1x1 plate with leaf and a stud flower. We're going to place this one on here. We're going to make 2 of these. We're going to place these on the remaining 2 limbs. Now we're going to attach a holder with 3.2 hole. We're going to place this on the end. We're going to make 4 of these in total. Then we're going to attach these in these areas right here. Now what I'm going to do before I swing these up, I'm going to find a nice comfortable place and just rotate them until I start filling in the holes. See how that doesn't fit in all the way there? So just keep rotating until things fill in. And then we're going to proceed on around. Now you can put them all on now, or you can do one at a time. It doesn't really matter. You can do them. You can do this any way you want. Totally up to you. It's all about being creative with these type of builds. So now I'm going to swing these to fill in the holes. Fill that in there. Complete the bush.